Big machinery parts. A little blotch of blood. But in a big parts of machine. Who will win? Let's see. Looks like the big part of machine team is going very well now. Isn't that right now? Yeah. The big parts of machines. The machine team.
What's this?
It's a giant aeroplane. We'll see what they'll create. They created an aeroplane. Wait, that's the same thing that they just created. But yeah, he's alive now. He's alive. Now you don't have to pilot him. He's alive now. What does a little patch of blood team have to do with a snake? I don't think he's gonna win now. The aeroplane's gonna win now. I don't think the aeroplane's gonna win now.
Maybe.
It will not be. Whoa. This thing is turning into super mode. It's on super mode. It's on bluff. Super mode. It's on the super mode, Mama.
Okay.
Super mode is very powerful. But I don't think it's not powerful enough to stand the deadly snake, the blood patch, because it can shoot out a piece of lava. It shot a piece of lava. Patch of blood was setting stuff on fire. It has a fire on there. But the fire went out. Pew, pew, pew. It's killed. It's got its head off. No, it's not going to get its head off. If you see that ability, that's the ability it's using that I showed you now. The big snap head. The ghost head. The ghost that did it.